Hi, very good morning, and thank you for joining the sessions. My name is Arif Mohammed, and I work in the area of Oracle transformation and human capital management. For more than 25 years, I have been helping organizations across the world modernize their HR and business operation using Oracle technologies. Today, I am going to walk you through Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM. What is Oracle Cloud HCM, why organization adopted, and how it is shaping the future of HR. So before we begin, just a quick introduction about my background. I have had the opportunity to work in the leadership role with organizations like Sutherland Global Services, Cancer Technologies, Tech Mahindra, Oracle, iGate, and others. My work has mostly revolved around large-scale digital transformation programs, HCM, finance, supply chain, and enterprise-wide cloud adoptions. Over the years, I have built and managed large Oracle teams, skilled practice from 100 people to the more than 850 consultants, and led successful projects across India, US, Europe, and the Middle East regions. I'm sharing this only to highlight that the insight in the presentation which we are going to have it comes from the real world experience. What works, what does not, and what organization truly expects from their HR and academic workforce system. Okay. Coming to that exactly, so here is the flow of our discussion today. These are the agenda which we are going to cover. What is the Oracle Fusion HCM? What are the core application modules are available in Oracle Fusion HCM? Why organizations prefer Oracle HCM? The impact of HR and business outcomes, key features and differentiators. What is the roadmap and the future directions? What is coming next? Industry sector use cases, how organizations should implement it, and then finally we have to have the summary and the final recommendation, and then we will open the floor for questions and answers. So we will take it a step by steps. So first, that what is the Oracle Cloud Fusion HCM? So Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM is basically a modern digital platform that help organization manage everything related to their employee, right from the hiring a person, onboarding them, managing their salaries, performance, learning, promotions, and up to their exit from the organizations. It can be a terminations or it can be a retirement, anything. Think of it as a complete HR system on the cloud. Earlier, HR team used multiple disconnect systems, one for payroll, one for attendance, one for learning, and so on. So this created confusions, duplications, errors, and compliance risk. So Oracle HCM solve all this by bringing everything together in a single unified system. Let me share an example. A global logistic organizations, which more than 30,000 employees across 25 countries moved to the Oracle HCM. Earlier, each country had its own HR system, different policies, but after adopting Oracle HCM, they were able to standardize all HR process, centralize employee data, and ensure compliance with local labor law in every country. This saves them time, reduce errors, and improve decision making. The same benefit applies to universities, your educational institutes, and government bodies, where managing staffs and faculty across campuses can be complex. So, next. So, in this particular slide, which we are going to discuss, there are the what are the core application modules available in Oracle Fusion Human Capital Management. It is also called as a HCM and Human Capital Management. So the left side, if you will see, it is having the offering, workforce deployment, workforce development, compensation management, and spend business in processes. So while you are implementing the Oracle Fusion HCM, you can subscribe for the offerings. It can be a workforce deployment, workforce development, compensation management, and others. While we are talking about that HCM, several modules, interconnected modules. So let me break it down. It's in simple words. Like global human resource, which is called as a core HR. This is the main employee database where all staff details are stored. Recruitment and onboarding helps institutions hire the right people smoothly and bring them on into the organization with guided steps. Payroll that handles salary calculation, your tax rule, deductions, and payout. Similarly, for the time and labor, manage your attendance, in and out entry, your leaves and working hours. Compensations. This helps design salary structures, increment, promotions. Similarly, for benefit that manage the medical, your insurance, and other employee benefit. Talent management and talent reviews, performance management, goal management, succession management. This track performance, your performance appraisal, your promotion, and the career growth. There is another module called as a Oracle Learning Cloud, which supports internal training, skill building, certification, and online courses. And there is a analytics which give you the insight into the workforce trend, attritions, your productivity. So there are multiple modules are available within the Oracle Fusion HCM, and every module talk to each other. So there is no data mismatch. This is extremely useful for large universities and multi-campus institutions. If I will take an example for education sector. So now the question comes that why organization adopt Oracle HCM? So organization across different industries move to the Oracle HCM for the following reasons. I have noted down a couple of things. Let's improve efficiency. So HR team spend less time on administrative work because many processes are automated now. For example, as an insurance company reduce their payroll processing time by 50% after doing the automation of the process. Scalability, whether an organization is expanding, merging, or opening the new branches, the system supports growth without needing any software updates or separate, any separate softwares. It enhances the analytics. It gives me the better analytics. Manager get the real data on time. How many, let's take an example, how many employees are joining? What is the risk of leaving? Who is at risk of leaving? What is the performance trending is going on? Which skills are missing during our projects? So those are the things which will be given and having the enhanced analytics available. So one academic institute use analytics to identify early sign of faculty attritions and take corrective actions. It also improved that employee experience. Employee can apply for leave. He can also check their pay slip, complete appraisals, and enroll in training anytime from any device. So that is the UI, intuitive UI, mobile access. You can do it. Personalized journey is there. So and now AI also has been introduced for enhancing the employee experience. Similarly, it is also having the continuous compliances. So Oracle constantly update the system based on the tax law, labor regulations, and government rules, so which help us to avoid penalties and keep the institution compliant. So that's the reason that most of the organizations are trying to adopt the Oracle Fusion HCM. So there is some slide which I have taken as a what is the impact on the HR and the business outcome once you have adopted the Oracle Fusion HCM. The impact of the Oracle HCM is not just a theoretical part. Organizations have seen concrete results. If I will take an example, the 50% reductions in the payroll processing time. Onboarding time reduced from the 21 days to 10 days. Up to 98% error reduced because of the manual work reduced. Above 90% user adoption within the 6 months with the proper training. What does this mean for an organization? That means it is a faster hiring, increased employee satisfaction, better faculty experience, improved compliance, and much more structured workforce planning. So that is the outcome after adopting the Oracle Fusion HCM. So I have just noted down that what are the key features and the differentiators are there. What makes Oracle HCM stand apart? It is having a unified experience. Everything is on one platform. No switching between the system or the screens. It is also having the Redwood UI. This is the Oracle new interface, user interface. Clean, modern, and very easy to use. Then we also have the AI-powered automations, artificial intelligence. So AI helps at predicting attrition, suggesting learning courses, matching candidates to job, automating repeated HR tasks, forecasting workforce need. For an example, a SaaS company used AI-based skills insight to identify future skills, shortages, and upskill employees early. Global and local compliances, so best in class and payroll, regulatory updates for different countries are provided by Oracle on quarterly basis or as and when it is required. It is also having the quarterly updates. So in Oracle Fusion, there are every year there are 4 updates are there every quarter there. So they will say as a B, C, D. So if I will say now, We are in the last quarter, so 25D is your latest release in the Oracle Fusion HCM. So, what are the roadmaps and the future directions? So, let's look at where Oracle is heading. In the 25D release, which is the current release Oracle has introduced, a more advanced Redwood user experience, smart onboarding agents, better analytics and the dashboard, enhanced AI-driven skill management. Looking at Oracle is investing in predictive workforce planning, blockchain-based employee records, deeper integration, external data connectivity, fully automated HR operations. The long-term vision is simple: HR that runs itself with the help of automation, AI, and predictive insights. So if we will talk about the industry impact and the academic user cases, so Oracle HCM is used across industries. It can be healthcare, retail, manufacturing, technologies, oil and gas, and educations. So in the healthcare industry, it automated the credential check for the doctors and clinical staff. Retail, quickly hiring seasonal staff and managing peak periods. Technology, skill-based planning, and the global talent mobility. And this also included implementation best practices, where the business alignment, phase-wise implementation has been done. It is enabling and training 92% adoptions, change management, communicate roadmap, set milestones, and adopt training as new features launch. Continuous progress improvement, process improvements. Regularly used analytics to optimize operation post implementation. So there are the multiple approaches are there. So when implementing Oracle SCM, the approach matters. What is your business alignments? Start with a gap analysis. Identify what are the organization needs. Involve the stakeholders from the HR, IT, finance, academics, all the departments who are the decision makers. It can be a phased implementation. Let's say start with the key areas such as a core HR, recruitment, payroll, and then expand to the talent management and learning management. You can also enablement and the training. Sorry. So you can do the train user through workshop and assign department champion. This help drive adoptions. Continuous improvement, like as I mentioned. So you use the analytics regularly to refine HR practice, update process, and adopt quarterly updates. So there are lot of recommendations are also there, which I have highlighted. So to summarize that Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM helps organization transform HR into a digital data-driven functions. It also improves efficiency, compliance, faculty and staff experience, workforce planning, and overall governance. My key recommendations are that start with clear objectives and a structured roadmap. Implement high value module first. use analytics for continuous optimizations, encourage feedbacks from staff, faculties, and the leadership, and leverage Oracle quarterly release for sustained innovations. So, with the right approach, Oracle HCM can significantly modernize HR and workforce operation in university and the across industries. So, thanks a lot for this opportunity which you have given. Thank you so much for your time, and I'm open for to take all the questions and answers if you have anything. Please feel free to connect with me on my LinkedIn or my YouTube channel, which I have to gain the inside of the Oracle Fusion HCM. Thank you.